Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. In the previous videos, we had started the chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair. We had seen that the boy's cycle initially was absolutely fine, but gradually, when this mechanic who knows nothing actually of mechanism, when he opened his all the parts, then the problem had started coming up, and later on it was very difficult for even for the man to assemble the cycle. Let's start with the remaining part. At a quarter to one, dirty and disheveled, cut and bleeding, he said, "I think that will do," and rose and whipped his broom. See, they had decided that day for their cycling task. But actually, instead of going to cycle at quarter to one, he was absolutely dirty, bleeding even because so many times he was hit by the cycle. And now he could assemble the wheel, and he said, "Now it is done." The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it. It was not that the struggle was only for the man who was treating the bicycle. Even the bicycle was also showing the picture as if it was enough for the bicycle as well. That was the problem for the bicycle, was also in trouble since that time. Which had received most punishment, it would have been difficult to say. It was here humor is used. Who had received more struggle, it was difficult to say whether the man or the bicycle, because both of them suffered a lot. But definitely we know that man was at fault. Because of the man, the bicycle even had to suffer so much. I took him into the back kitchen where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. The boy took the man to the back kitchen where secretly, because the boy did not want to take him inside, he cleaned himself whatever was possible. He did it. Then I sent him home. Jerome K. Jerome. And then he sent home. Jerome K. Jerome is the writer of this story. And Jerome K. Jerome, the famous thing about this writer is he's famous for writing humorous stories. In class 9th also, Packing, one chapter written by Jerome K. Jerome. So at last this bicycle got repair. Actually, the repairing was not at all needed. Now we will throw some light on the question answers. Did the front wheel really wobble? Of course, the front wheel was not really at beginning, it was not wobbling. What is your opinion? This is what I think so, and I know everybody will have the same, because the boy was absolutely confident for cycling ride on that cycle. And our owner is smart enough to understand what is needed and what is not needed in his or her cycle. Give a reason for your answer. This is what will be the reason for that. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? When he returned from the tool shed, the front wheel was between the legs of the man. He had taken out the front wheel. So likewise, dear children, you will complete all the question answer. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. See, though the man was trying to show his smartness on cycle mechanism, but actually it was his overconfidence. Because if you are unable to assemble a thing, then you cannot be a good mechanic. And the same thing happened with him as well. He was capable to take out the cycle wheel from that structure, but it was very difficult for him to arrange it. At last, whatever he could do, that was also not properly done, meaning the cycle later on had more trouble than at the initial stage. What special what special treatment did the chain receive? The entire episode was there for the in the story. How he was first he tight the extra loosen it, then he tighten it, then the same thing goes on repetition. So thank you, dear children. I hope you followed this chapter very well.